Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is actually the best video for how to use the MetaTrader 4. First, we had some interference in the first video. Those of you who were able to view it, we had the interference. We actually messed up with some restrictions with YouTube. Okay, let's get into the video. I don't want to make long videos. Actually, what you have to know is I just became an official partner of FOREX. Yeah, I'm an official partner of FOREX. To those of you who need the broker, you may contact me and I'll forward you the link. Brief introduction. MetaTrader 4 is a trading platform that provides markets for brokers and provides easy and accessible platform for traders. So it's like a bridges a gap between traders and forex brokers in the terms of market. Now, MetaTrader 4, this is actually client's account. Right now we don't have any index. That's why you actually see zero balance. This is a new account that I just opened with FOREX. It's a partner IB account. Okay, let's get into how this thing works. Now, this big plus, that's where you begin from. After registering your account with a broker, they will give you the login details to the MetaTrader 4. When you come here, you click in that plus sign, you click login to existing account, you select your broker. You can use FOREX. Take note of the account that you are given, FOREX. You choose FOREX ECN, FOREX EU Classic, FOREX EU Demo. When you click in the FOREX, click your login details. It's usually a number, then your password, then you click save password in order not to retype the password again when you're logging in. So after logging in, this is what you will actually see. Spreads. These are currency pairs. That's actually what you'll be able to see. Now these pairs, if they're usually the major pairs that are given to you. But when you find out that some pairs, or if you're good at trading metals, indices, and you find out that they are not among those ones provided to you, you can click on this add sign. You'll find all the sorts of instruments that you want to trade on. Forex crosses. You select Forex exotic. You select, and among other things. You can choose any. If you want indices, you click on any that you want. Nasdaq. Come, it will be here. It will be provided. Now, after adding your spreads, you'll now need to know how these things actually work. In case you want to delete a currency pair, you click here in that pencil. Then you click delete. You select the pair that you want to delete from your spreads, and after you delete. Now, this actually you are viewing the market. As you can see, I'm viewing the Euro USD analyzed market. You can widen and you can also make it narrow. And actually this is where you have the balance, the equity, and the free margin. The balance, that's the money that you deposited in your account. The equity, that's the money that you are having. In case you have an open trade, the equity means the money that you will be having when you close that trade, whether losing or a winning trade. Now here, these are actually these are the news and notifications from your forex broker. Sometimes they provide analysis to their customers. Here you're viewing messages of deposit and withdrawals. Now here, this one actually we have empty history, but this one shows you the open trades and the closed trades. It gives you a history of your transactions, the profits and the losses you made per trade with the lot size. Now, after knowing here, actually this is a calendar. You can select last week, last month, last 3 months. You can also customize the period. On going back to the market, now this addition sign now doesn't represent going into logging into existing account, but it gives you that thing. It is something like a cross. This enables you to view anything in the market, the pips, the data candlestick was created, and among others. Okay, so let me give you an example. This is an hour one chart. Now that shows the current pips. It's 17894, and the candlestick was on 2021-03 25th on 17. At 17. That's 5 p.m. Now this here you're adding indicators. You can see the volumes, the Bill Williams. For example, the MACD. You click on the indicator that you want. You customize the settings. If you want that default settings, you can also leave that. Then click done. It will appear here below the market. Now that's how we add indicators. Now in case you don't want to go back here, in order to select another currency pair, just in the market you can use this dollar sign reversible. You choose any market that you want. It will give you any market that you want. And this will give you a clear view of the time frames that you are actually to be having. For example, if you click in the market, this thing will come. M1, M5, M15, M30. That's minute 1, minute 5. That means every candlestick in the chart is formed in 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15, 30. Then H1 to H4, hour 1, hour 4. Every candlestick formed in 4 hours. Day 1 candlesticks are formed in a day, week 1, and then month 1. Then still the F represents the indicator. Still this addition sign represents that. So this is a complete automation of this above syndrome that shows you everything. Now another feature, another special feature that is on this dot or on this round ball that you see, it has this. When you click in that, that's where you have the trend lines, special forex trading instruments. We're having vertical line, horizontal line, and this horizontal line can be used to gauge support and resistance levels. The trend by angle, the cycle lines, arrow, like arrowed line, equidistant channel, STD. These are the channels. These are the gun, the Fibonacci levels, retracement, time zones, span, arcs. All that, Elliott, motive wave, and all these are used in technical analysis. Shapes, rectangle, the market makes, shapes, ellipse, all these are used. Now if you have to add, click on the trend line, then you come in the market and click anywhere you want to add the trend line. For example, if I say, let me go to GBP/USD, if I say I need that trend line here, then it will make a line, and I'll make my trend line. Simply. If I want to find, let me say, a small resistance level this market is about to meet, I can go back, select horizontal line. I come and place it here. Now that's exactly a very good support and resistance level. You can see the market crossed it and then it retested it. I think those are the main features that you have to know when you are to use the MT4. Now going back to opening trades, you click in the currency pair, select new order, instant execution. Instant execution means the market, like the order is opened instantly. You click on the buy or the sell. We have the stop loss, we have the take profit. You can undergo the course to know the use of this, but stop losses, these ones, they close a losing order. In order you say, it is actually for a buy set below, and then for a sell it is set above. In case you want the market to go down and it goes up and you are losing, then it will automatically close the trade. And we have the buy limit. This buy limit, it is actually set on support and resistances, so that when the market goes up and crosses the resistance, then it automatically opens a buy trade. The lot size, you can gauge it. The price, you want the market to actually open. Then the take profit and the stop loss, you can set if you want. The sell limit is the opposite. Now the buy stop, now the difference between buy stop and buy limit. For a buy stop, it is actually set above the current position of the market for a buy. Yet, for a buy limit, it is set below the current position of the market. What do I mean? If a market is between support and resistance and you want to set a buy, when the market reaches the support down, you use a buy limit. You set the position of the market to open a trade automatically when the market reaches the support below at the support. But if you want to actually the market to automatically execute an open trade above the resistance when it has crossed the resistance up, and you want the market to buy and continue further to the next resistance, you use a buy stop. And the sell limit and the sell stop, those are the things. The lot size, this is the money that you get on every pip that the market moves. The same applies to the loss. If you're losing, you lose 0.15 for every pip, and if you're winning, the same. However, we have some ECN brokers. ECN brokers, these ones, they charge like $1 or $2 for every trade. Next, if you actually don't want to go through all this, if you actually don't want to go back to spreads to open a trade, when you're on the market and you want to open an instant trade in the market, you click on this. Actually, it's like a sell sign. It's on the top right. That one. That's what you click. New order. You click on it, and then it will take you to this directive. This is where you execute and order your decision. And this is the market. I think everything about the MetaTrader 4 is well explained. Now another thing, this is the advanced view mode, where you see the lowest of the day and the highest the market has gone for the day. You can decide to use a simple view mode. You will only be given pips. You will only be given current readings of the market and maybe the highest. But when you go to advanced view mode, the view mode, the advanced view mode, it actually shows you everything. So that's basically the thing about MetaTrader 4. If you need anything, you can contact the Global Forex Trading Anderson on 0706 4332 86 or 0780368956. That is actually, well, when you click lastly, when you click on the quotes, you can see quotes, charts, trade history, mailbox, news. The mailbox, you already know. The news, the economic calendar, the messages, the traders community, trading application, the journal, and about the settings. You can apply some settings on here. You can change the colors. You can change. You can disable news. You can use tablet interface. That means the MetaTrader 4 will have to twist. It will be appearing that way. And the economic calendar. So we have so many things that we are actually using for MetaTrader 4. I'm sorry about that. So this is the tab interface, but most people actually don't use this, and I don't think there is a need. We have traders community. You can log in with your email. You go and copy trades from professional traders, and among others. Yes, so basically, I wish you the best of luck in your Forex trading. Thank you.